Okay, for this question, where to start? We start from this point, point X. So we start from point X. You have PX, okay, and then because it's on the same horizontal level, so P at this point here, X, is equivalent at with this P. Okay, so from here, where do you go? You go downwards. Okay, again, when you go downward, the pressure become positive, increases. So plus. How far do you travel downward? Berapa jauh? It's 25 centimeter. You have to change everything to meter. Okay, 0.25. And the liquid is water. So gamma, water. And then from here, we go horizontally to this side. Okay, and at this point, you go upward. Okay, when you go upward, the pressure decreases. So you have negative. How far do you have to travel upward? This time, you have to travel 25 centimeter upward plus 2.5 centimeter upward. Change everything into meter. 0.25 plus 0.025. And the liquid is B, so gamma B. Okay, now you are here. Okay, in this case, the white color is air. The existence of pressure inside the air is negligible in comparison to other liquid. So in this case, we can ignore it straight away. So you go upward at this point, okay, then you go horizontally. Now you are here. From here, where do you go? You go downward. Okay, downward plus. So you have plus here. How far do you have to go downward? 0.15. Okay. And what's the liquid? The liquid is liquid A. Now you are here. Same horizontal level is the same pressure. Where are you? Where are you now? You are at your destination, which is PY. Okay, so we rearrange the equation Px minus Py. Move the Py to your left hand side. Solve for the equation. Then you can get the answer 0.5 kilopascal. This is the final answer. Okay, we try another method. For example, you are not comfortable using gamma. You prefer to use the density. So we go with the same method. I start with Px. Okay. Plus 0.25 and then you have the density of water is 1000. And then again, you are traveling upward then 0.25 plus 0.025. This is the specific gravity. Sg is equal to density over 1000. So the density of your liquid B is equal to 1.6 times 1000. 1.6 times 1000. Okay, and then minus 0.15. Again, gamma liquid A. Liquid A, the ST is 0.9, so density of A is 0.9 times 1000. 0.9 times 1000. This will give you Py. So rearrange the equation Px minus Py, solve for this mathematical part. You will get the final answer. In this case, after you solve the equation, you will get 55N. Now, be careful with the unit 55 Pascal. Okay, which is also equivalent to 0. Okay, yeah, we forgot something. Actually, everything you have to time is 9.81. Okay, times 9.81 times 9.81. Okay, so we solve for the equation, then you get 539.6 Pascal, which is equivalent to 0.54 kilo Pascal. So this is the answer. Okay. when you are using P equal to rho GH, please always remember that you have to include the G. Don't forget the 9.81. Okay, now let's say we want to choose different starting point. For example, we want to start with Y. So here is your starting point. So PY. Okay. From Y, you go upward. So minus 0.15 gamma A. Then you are here. From here you go downward, but air is negligible. The pressure due to the air is negligible because the density is very low. So we start from this point. From this point, you still have to go downward. So plus, because it's going downward, okay? Plus 0.25 plus 0.025. And now you are traveling through liquid B, so gamma B. And then you are here now. You travel up this point. It's at the same horizontal level. So from here, you go upward. Negative. How far do you have to travel upward? 0.25. And what liquid there is water. Okay. And where's your destination? You are here now. This is the same horizontal level with X. So your destination is Px. Don't forget your destination. Okay. So we rearrange it again. So Px minus Py equal to 0.25 gamma for water is 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. And then you minus with 0.25 plus 0.025. Gamma of your liquid B is 1.6 times 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. And then you plus with the 0.15. Gamma for the liquid A is 0.9 times 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. You solve for this equation. This will give you negative 0.54 kilopascal. I think we did a careless mistake here. This one should be Py minus Px, because Px is moved to your left hand side and the other part is moved to the right hand side. Okay, so it gives you the same value, but the only difference is because now you are talking about Py minus Px equal to negative 0.54 kilopascal. For this one, you are using Px minus Py equal to 0.54 kilopascal. Okay, it's just a matter of the direction because we are talking about the difference. Anyone bigger minus the smaller will give you a positive answer. Something smaller minus with a bigger pressure will give you a negative pressure change. Okay, in this case, Py is smaller than Px, so that's why Py minus Px is negative 0.54 kilopascal. But it's the same answer, which refer to the delta P. So delta P is 0.54 kilopascal. That's the answer.